And if the case requires it, we need to control the muscular bite strength by the use of Botox at masseter level to reduce the strength of clenching and grinding. So I removed the implant, I cleaned the implant, and I told the patient, I cleaned the area, I told the patient, we need to do orthodontics. If you look at this case, you're going to see that all his lower dentition is overworn, as you can see. The patient has an overcrowding in the lower and the upper. It has a class 2 bite, very deep bite, that tells that the occlusion of this patient is the responsible for that implant failure. So let's be honest with them. I told him we need to put orthodontics. The patient was not happy with that decision. The patient wanted me to place for the 3rd time my implant. And I said, no, I'm not going to expose my implant to your malocclusion, assuming the fact that you need to change the upper and lower teeth relationship. So I put some bone graft and I told the patient, do whatever you want, but don't ask me to place your implant right now because that's not going to happen before orthodontic treatment.